Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to make an improvised probe using these alligator clips. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this off, and also this one. Next I'm going to remove the PVC cover or the insulation. And also for this one. Okay. Now I'm going to connect them. I'm going to insert this here. I'm going to build up something in here so that this wire can hold on to it later. Okay, let's do the same thing. Okay, now we have an improvised probe. I have a 3.2 volt battery at 6500 mAh. This is a genuine battery, by the way. Positive here and the negative here. Now I just want to try if this 3.2 volt could power up this 5 volt mini bulb. The positive is on the left side if you are facing its back, and the negative is on the right side. Okay, let's try this one. This mini bulb is originally designed to be powered up by a 5 volt power requirement. See, it can also be powered up by this 3.2 volt battery with no problem. Well, this one is powered by 3.7 volt battery. This one is already defective. There is a positive sign there, and very almost I couldn't see it. This should be the negative. Okay, this is powered by 3.7 originally. Let's see if it can be powered up by this 3.2 volt battery. Okay, so this is one very effective way of testing some components. If you have a 3.7 volt battery, you can also put something that this alligator clip can hold on to. Okay, so that's it. I hope you like the idea, and thank you for watching, and see you on our next video. Bye.